This was sitting in a penny for 10 minutes silly. I just called you, we had more bullshit. Oh, for God's sake. This is what I can't have my season of silly CWA.
Tonight through Friday afternoon. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Delaware, northeast Maryland, and southern New Jersey, including the following areas in Delaware, Delaware beaches, inland Sussex, and Kent. In northeast Maryland, Caroline, Canton, Maryland, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. In southern New Jersey, Atlantic, coastal Cape May, coastal Atlantic, and Cumberland. From midnight tonight through Friday afternoon, heavy rain associated with a coastal low is expected to start late tonight and continue through Friday morning. Widespread amounts of 1 to 3 inches are likely, with locally higher amounts possible. A flash flood watch means that there is a potential for flash flooding, which can be life-threatening. Heavy rain is expected to occur over a short period of time. Rapidly rising flood waters may quickly inundate roadways and areas of poor drainage. Streams and creeks could leave their banks, flooding nearby properties. Please monitor the forecast, especially if you live in a location that is prone to flooding. Be prepared to take action if a flash flood warning is issued for your area.
Okay, so let me explain what the hell just happened. I rang Sterling again, and so they told me that this was sitting in their pending. And, hold on. This was pending for 25 minutes. No, yeah, this was pending for almost 25 minutes. So it's been sitting in their queue for 25 minutes. Get off the goddamn drugs!